Hey there, viewers! Are you struggling to keep your home looking presentable? With families stuck inside, people's spaces are going from clean to dirty in an instant. If you're looking to clean, there's plenty of great hacks you can soak up. For example, did you know vinegar serves as a terrific cleaning tool? Seriously, it can be a lifesaver, and not just in the kitchen. Can it rid your winter boots of salt? How about making your glassware sparkle? Wait, you can even clean your tools with it? Let's discuss 9 vinegar cleaning hacks for your home. Number 1. Disinfect your home. In this trying time period, people are scrambling for ways to rid their home of germs. Now, don't get me wrong, this is not a way to clear your house of coronavirus. But if you're looking to decrease the odds of coming in contact with gross germs, vinegar is a great way to go. Using vinegar, you can create an all-purpose cleaner that's easily sprayed over hard, flat surfaces. This can be anything from countertops to desks to coffee tables. Think of it as Windex, only smellier. This will get rid of not only stains, but antimicrobial oils as well. All of this in an effort to make your home germ-free. It's simple, just grab a spray bottle with a funnel. Mix half a cup of vinegar with 2 tablespoons of baking soda. If you have tea tree or eucalyptus oils laying around, I would also recommend you throw those in as well. Number 2. Get rid of algae. The use of vinegar can also take care of algae and aquatic organisms that photosynthesize. It shows up outside as a thick, green, plant-like substance and normally gets larger as time goes on. If you see that algae has accumulated on your property, one of the best things to combat it with is white vinegar. Mix vinegar with water into a container. Before spraying the area down, wash away as much surface algae as you can with a water hose. Pour the vinegar onto the remaining algae and scrub away with a brush. This will require you to use elbow grease you didn't know you had. When complete, grab your water hose once more to wash away the liquid. Are you finding this video interesting so far? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that like button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our great Bestie content. Number 3. Clean your bathroom. Yes, vinegar is an effective combatant against algae and germs. But its track record with dirty bathrooms is also something to boast. Is your bathroom in need of a good scrubbing? Well, have we got a remedy for you? In order to get those stains out from sinks, tubs, and toilets, you'll require several ingredients. Mix 1 full cup of distilled vinegar, 3 tablespoons of borax, and half a cup of soap into a gallon of hot water. Place the mixture into a spray bottle. From here, you're ready to battle those dirty stains. It can even work to clean your bathroom tile. If you again apply the correct amount of elbow grease, your bathroom will look almost unrecognizable. Number 4. Make fingerprints disappear. No, this won't help you cover up a crime scene, but criminal or no criminal, fingerprints look disgusting when seen on a glass window. With the days only getting sunnier, they're visible from 10 feet away. Well, say goodbye to fingerprints with this simple vinegar concoction. You got vinegar? You got cornstarch? You may just have the newest recipe for fingerprint removal. Just grab that precious spray bottle and pour half a cup of white vinegar inside. Mix that with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch as well as 2 cups of water. If you have essential oils like grapefruit and lemon, that's also suggested. Spray that over your window or anywhere a fingerprint is visible. Run a paper towel over the surface until it's disappeared. Also, if you're using a spray bottle, make sure you're shaking it before spraying. Number 5. Clean your wooden floor. White vinegar mixed with water is another ideal substance to clean away stains on wood floors. It may not be the most reliable, but it is recommended for those looking to save a buck. This cleaning method is one of the oldest in the book for getting rid of stains. In terms of the instructions, well, they vary. Since the strength of the vinegar depends on the type of floor, you want to use either half a cup or a full cup of the liquid. This is to be mixed with a gallon of water. Before cleaning, remember to sweep or vacuum away any dirt or dust. Once you're ready, run a mop along the floor, cleaning away any area you wish. Keep in mind, this is going to stink for a few minutes, so prepare yourself, folks. If you do this properly, your wooden floor will be looking as good as new. Number 6. Clean your glassware. Speaking of sparkling surfaces that will look renewed, let's take a minute to focus on your dirty dishes. Do you feel as if your glass possessions aren't being cleaned right? Vinegar may be your answer. Let's get creative. If your dishwasher is older, you'll find that over time it's not as efficient as it used to be. This is where the vinegar bowl comes in. If this seems a little weird, trust me, it works. Fill a small bowl with white vinegar halfway. Carefully place the bowl on the top rack of your dishwasher. Be sure it's able to hold in place. Fill the soap compartment with the usual chemical and turn on the washer. When coming in contact with hot water, the vinegar should distribute evenly among the top and bottom dishes. This method might sound like a bit of a reach. Once done, your glass dishes will be shining like the day you first bought them. Before we continue, are you worried about keeping your home sanitized during this time? Check out our recent video on 7 ways to keep your groceries clean during a pandemic. Now back to our list of 9 vinegar cleaning hacks for you to use. Number 7. Cleans salt off boots. Don't you just hate dragging salt indoors during the winter? If you have a wooden floor, this is just another thing to clean off. Vinegar can easily erase salt residue on footwear. It's pretty straightforward. Place 2 tablespoons inside a spray bottle filled with warm water. Once shaken, spray the cleaner onto a paper towel and begin wiping your boots. Apply the cleaner very carefully. This means wiping slowly. You want to make sure you get even the most difficult spots. Soon enough, your boots will be clear of salt and ready to get dirty all over again. Number 8. Clear off rust from tools. Vinegar is great for cleaning dirty tools. While this cleaning hack won't return these objects to their original state, it will sure help them look better and be more useful. Nobody wants a set of rusty tools. When cleaning rust, most people resort to sanding, but I'm sure you've used enough elbow grease on our previous entries. Good news, this method's another simple one. Pour white vinegar into a can or reasonably large container. This needs to be one that can accommodate your particular tool. Leave the object inside the vinegar and let it soak overnight. The next morning, remove the tool and scrub away. The rust should come off fairly easily. If your tools are a little too big to be sitting in a container, it's suggested you wrap them in a vinegar-soaked towel and leave them in a plastic bag for a full day. Once wiped off, rinse the tool in the sink and you're back to normal. Number 9. Clean lawn equipment. Speaking of tools, are you getting sick of seeing a dirty lawnmower every time you go outside? In order for your lawnmower to work, it needs to be in tip-top shape. This also means getting rid of awful green stains. It's suggested that you spray a bottle of white vinegar and water onto the equipment and start scrubbing with a sturdy dish brush. I'm going to use the term elbow grease one last time. Use it and make it count. Scrub away for about 15 to 20 minutes. This gives you time to cover the entire area of the lawnmower. In the end, all that gross gunk should be removed from your lawn equipment and ready for use again. Do you use vinegar to clean? Would you consider it after watching this video? Let us know in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait! What kind of bestie are we if we don't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video, and enjoy.